Okay, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel, API Codes. The previous in the previous video, we talked about Paystack and their services. This time around, we are going to be talking about how to implement them. We have already written down the code with CakePHP, how to implement Paystack with CakePHP. So let's dive straight into it. So going to this, there are just two steps to using Paystack API. The first one is initialize payment, and the next one is verify payment. So this is just it. So for initializing payment, we have this API here. We have a code here for it. You can see they make a request to this Paystack URL here. Then you add the fields that are important that you need. Then you can now get a response. Add your secret key, then you get a response here. Then you now verify a callback, a URL. You will Paystack, you also attach a callback URL on your Paystack dashboard. I have something here for you. So this is it here. Yeah, a callback URL here. So this is my callback URL. So let me dive straight into the code. So this is the code base. Let me talk about the file structure. This is my front end. So this is where I added my functions, the two functions needed: initialize payment and verify transaction. Sorry about that. So okay. So before I continue, I'll just talk about the your secret keys. Now, secret keys are not meant to be kept in your code base, are meant to be kept in your EMV file. So there's a package I installed to be able to access my EMV file. So there are so many packages, but this works for me. So you can see it here. It works very well for me. So and okay. So I'll add it into my readme so you can understand how to use it. It's very easy to use. So my EMV file is having the Paystack secret key and the public key. So I just need only the secret key, but should you want to use it, I just need the secret key for it. So I just added it there. So let's go straight to the functions. So initialize payment just have it takes in an array of data, then encode the data, then put it here to get add it to my post fields, then add my Paystack secret key. Don't forget to import this. I created a file called config.php here. And, okay, what it actually does is to fetch the env files, then assign it to a constant. Yeah, so that's just it. Then okay, that's for that. So I imported the config.php file so I can make use of the Paystack secret key here. Then come down here. So from here now, let's go to our front end and see how we can use this. So our front end code goes like this. Okay, so we have our form here. Normally we have our form here. So this form holds the email address, amount, first name, last name, phone number, takes it from our users. So I think I will have to log in. I will have to turn on my local server. So while it's turning on, let's continue. So from here, okay, okay. So let me go back there. I'm trying to turn on my local server. Okay, so that's by the way. So let's continue what we're doing. So I will just go back to my code base. So from here, what you do is you fetch the data. It's an array. Then don't forget that the amount is in common, so you have to multiply by 100. So now the reference key, you can generate any random reference key, unique random reference key. Now the metadata actually picks the users. You can use it to get the customers details here. The channels, you can select the channels. If you leave it empty, it's going to automatically select all channels. So you can say you can separate them. Maybe I just want only card payment with card or a bank payment. So you can actually select it. Then um so you can actually select it. So so let's continue. So from here, once I run this by initialize payment, I will get my authorization URL, which is my redirect URL where the payment will be made. Then I get my reference key. Then I redirect the users to redirect URL. Then if status is false, you can do whatever you wish here to get. Then let's look at the verify payment. So once it's done, it gets a parameter will be sent alongside from to a parameter will be sent to my callback URL. So this is what I'll get from here. Now I can now get this reference number. If this exists, then I can use it to verify the transaction and get my message if successful or if failed. To get now, so I have my responses here. If it's successful here and if failed, so this is it here. So let's see how it works. Let's go straight to it and see how it works. Okay, so I'm coming. Just a second. Okay, okay, so let's go straight to my okay to the implementation is here. So I have my email, so let's just type it. I'll put in 5,000. Okay, and I'll make my payment. Okay, so I'm being directed to my authorization URL. So this is it. Yeah, then I can click success, make my payments. This is a test account, so I'm redirected back to this. So verification is being done and it's successful. So we can go back to our dashboard here. Transaction, no thanks. You can see the last one I just made 7:15 a.m. So okay, oh really? So so this is it here. This here. So okay, so just test accounts and stuff like that. Okay, so I think we are done with this. So we'll go back to talk about our um talk about we'll go back to talk about webhooks. So we can use webhook to get the response from Paystack. So, so thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I would like to get your comments and feedback on the integration with Paystack. Let me know your comments. Thank you very much.